Exercise number 1. Dumbbell Flat Fly. The primary muscle activated is the pectoralis major, specifically the sternal head. This muscle is responsible for movements such as pushing and adduction of the arm, which is the primary action involved in the dumbbell flat fly exercise.
Went up in basements, online a whole new generation. I'ma make mine, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. We're changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Call it suicide of the older generation.
What keeps you up at night, yeah? Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive.
Exercise number 2. Dumbbell Incline Press. The primary muscle activated is the pectoralis major, specifically the clavicular head or the upper chest muscle.
Right, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves.
Exercise number 3. Dumbbell Decline Fly. This exercise targets the lower chest more intensely compared to other variations, providing a focused workout for this specific area. Additionally, secondary muscles such as the shoulders and triceps are also engaged during this exercise, contributing to overall upper body strength and development.
I know what keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like.
Exercise number 4. Dumbbell Squeeze Bench Press. The pectoralis major muscle is primarily activated. This exercise involves pressing dumbbells together while performing a bench press, which engages the pectoralis major muscle to a significant extent. Exercise number 5. Dumbbell Alternative Flat Bench Press. Primarily activated are the pectoralis major and minor. These muscles are crucial for movements involving the arms, such as pushing and lifting.
I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep.
Exercise number 6. Dumbbell Around Pullover. Targets the sternal head of the pectoralis major, which is the lower portion of the chest muscle. This is because the overhead motion of the pullover movement stretches and engages the pectoralis major.
You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life and I won't look back ever again.
No fear, see clear, you deserve to be great. I know it feels like things get in your way. Push through those walls and the others will fall. Sit up,
Exercise number 7. Dumbbell Standing Low Fly. Primarily activates the lower chest fibers, also known as the abdominal heads of the pectoralis major. These fibers are responsible for depression of the humerus and horizontal adduction.
right along. And I feel like the pain in the past, it needs to stay in the past. You gotta take off the cast. I wanna feel like I'm a new person. I wanna have clear vision and purpose. And I feel like the pain shouldn't last. If you can move on and past the things that make you feel bad, and you can change in your brain, I'm certain. I've done it before and man, I'm not.
Exercise number 8. Height Dumbbell Fly, and medial rotation of the humerus during the dumbbell fly exercise. Primarily activated is the upper chest muscle. This exercise targets the upper chest area, helping to build strength and definition in that specific region.